Hi, I'm Sonam Srivastava, the founder of Right Research and the manager of the Right Small Cases. At Right Research, we use data driven, AI powered methods to help investors invest better. So, welcome to this month's Small Case Wrap. We'll be covering the key events that happened in April 2025 and what to look out for in the next month. April was a very interesting month where you saw the month start with the Trump tariffs and a lot of volatility across the world. We saw Indian markets see a strong decline when the Trump tariffs were announced, and then a very strong recovery once the tariffs were taken back or delayed by 90 days. But I think the volatility continues to stay with a trade war happening between US and China and not a lot of dialogue going on there. There's a lot of escalation in the geopolitical scenario that has also happened that is impacting the market. We also saw a lot of interesting earnings. The IT sector was not that attractive, but we saw very strong earnings come out from the banking sector and a very strong rally in the bank nifty during the month of April. We saw strong recovery from the declines that happened during the tariff tantrum in the small and mid cap segment, with muted FII flows coming in, but a strong support in the market by the domestic investors. There will be a lot of interesting events to watch out for in the month of May as well. We'll see what happens in the global market with the announcements coming up from Donald Trump and how they impact the global trade war. We'll see retaliation from the Chinese government, and those will be the key things to watch out for. We'll be watching out for the Fed commentary on how they're going to cut down the rates and if the Fed chairman is going to survive Donald Trump's tantrums. Even in India, I think the strength of various companies after the recent recovery would be tested in the month of May. The market is showing very strong signals for recovery, but we'll see how sustainable the rally is in the month of May. Many interesting earnings will come out in the month of May, and we'll know overall how India is doing in Q4 in terms of overall revenue growth as well as the earning growth, which will give us signal on what to expect from the Indian markets in the coming few months. In terms of sectoral outlook, we continue to remain positive on the pharmaceutical and healthcare segment. We really like the consumer electronics segment that you will see in many of our portfolios. We also have allocation across capital goods and chemicals. And right now, banking and financial services are also looking quite attractive. In the current macro environment, I think discretionary consumer spending might be something that you have to watch out for and sort of control your allocation to that particular segment. Similarly, commodity, infrastructure growth, and those segments might also not have a very strong pickup in the upcoming months. But the recovery that we are seeing in the market gives us a very strong confidence that momentum is coming back to the market. And to capitalize on this growing momentum, Right Research offers two very attractive momentum small cases, Alpha Prime as well as Momentum, that can be used to take advantage of this recent pickup in momentum. With the changing macroeconomic scenario, India is going to be the beneficiary of China Plus One, and that is where Right New India could also be a very attractive investment to cover in the current scenario.